this is Nikki Rees. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are gonna make garlic mushroom creamy chicken sauce meal today. And the ingredients that you're gonna need is 4 pieces of chicken breast, boneless, skinless, and of course you're gonna need your mushrooms. And this is I believe this is 8 ounces. You're gonna need parsley, your ground thyme, some pepper, some garlic. If you have the garlic holes, that's fine. Garlic cloves, I'm sorry, that's fine. And then chicken broth. This is all I have for chicken broth. If you got regular chicken broth or whatever you're gonna use, that's fine. Salt, pepper to taste, and some heavy cream. So basically I have already been cooking the chicken. I've had it going for about 20 minutes. I did 10 minutes on each side. It's looking really good. And I put the there is half a teaspoon of thyme in here already. The broth is already in here, and I'll have the measurements on the description below this video. I already have the onions going as well, and this is looking really good already. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the mushrooms to brown up, or to get brown and get down. There we go. I've had the oil already heated up. Now it takes about 3 to 4 minutes for the mushrooms to get brown. And for the sides, I want to do spinach for the sides. Just some sauteed spinach. I'm anemic, so I try to get that spinach in every meal. And there's 2 tablespoons in here for the 8 ounces of mushroom. I'm gonna go ahead and put a lid on it. I got it on medium high. And really quick, I'm gonna transfer this chicken into a bowl because I'm gonna start working on the sauce. And it's been cooking for about 20 minutes. It's been cooking in the onion, the broth, the thyme, the garlic, and salt and pepper. And this is the sauce. We're gonna make this into a sauce. I'm gonna lower the heat on it because I cooked it on medium high. Oh, I think that's fine in there. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the heavy cream. And I'm gonna keep just whisking it. Okay. I'm going to be checking on my mushrooms as well. Mushrooms just need to be removing them. They're getting brown. Some people like to brown them in butter. I'm doing olive oil. And I'm just taking turns on whisking both of them. Whisking the cream. And giving some attention to the mushrooms. Kind of keep it going. This meal should only take about 35 minutes. And if you want to thicken this cream up, you can add about maybe 1/4 Parmesan. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to keep it a little not that thick. Okay, they are getting there. They're getting brown. And it's looking really good. Okay. When those mushrooms are done, I'm gonna go ahead and add them in here so they can get into that gravy. Oh yeah, this is looking really good. I'm gonna brown it just a little more, but it is about done. And I'm putting the wrong lid on there. I confused them. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get my 2 tablespoons of parsley ready, so when I add that mushrooms to the sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken after that. Then we're gonna go ahead and top it off. Okay. Beautiful. Look how nice and brown they got. Towards the end, you don't have to put the lid back on there. I want it to. I want them to dry up too much. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my sauce. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons into that pan that I just took the mushrooms out of while that's simmering. Because I'm going to saute some spinach. Okay. And kind of get this, turn up the heat a little bit. And get this going. Go ahead and lay this chicken on it. This was 4 pieces of chicken, but they were really thick, so I sliced them in the middle. So it made about 6 pieces. I guess I sliced 2 of them. Get that juices, okay. And I'm gonna just let that sit on there for a bit so it can just do its thing. Okay, so where are my, here they are. Now, while I'm waiting on that, it's basically finishing up. I'm gonna go ahead and saute some spinach. You can add some salt and pepper if you want to. I'm not going to add anything. Let me turn down the heat. You put it on medium low. It's ready when it wilts. It's gonna shrink. Have a bowl ready so you can transfer it and it's to where you like it. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm getting my bowl ready. I'm just going to transfer it into the bowl, and then I'm going to add the last bit of spinach I had. I read that when your iron is low, spinach is the best. Spinach and liver have like very high iron, but I heard that if you saute the spinach the way we're doing it right now, that it actually brings it out more instead of just eating it raw. You could correct me if I'm wrong, but I read that in a few articles, so I've been doing it like that ever since, and I do see a huge improvement. A lot of people don't like spinach. I started out not liking it, but I mean, I have to. If I want to feel better, these are the things that I have to do. And then while that's going, that's almost done. I just lowered this. It's kind of high. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of parsley. It's dried parsley. You can add fresh. Like I said, if you want the sauce thicker, you can add a 1/4 cup of Parmesan. And you would have had to done that earlier when we were stirring that heavy cream. Go ahead and turn the stove off. Let's do this. And it looked like so much spinach, but once you saute it, it shrinks and it looks like nothing. Oh, that's fine. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna get my plate ready. And that is it. Nice little dinner. Healthy for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Until next time.